Honey is the only food that never spoils. It's 3,000 years old and still edible. What's inside? It all starts with a bee. She visits 2 million flowers to make just 1 kilogram of honey. Bees transform nectar into honey in these hexagonal cells, chemistry and hard work. The beekeeper extracts the honey, but what makes it so special? Under the microscope, sugar, pollen, enzymes, but the secret lies elsewhere. 80% sugars, 18% water, enzymes, hydrogen peroxide, nature's preservative. Crystallization is normal. Glucose turns into crystals. This isn't added sugar. Acacia, buckwheat, wildflower, each with its own taste and benefits. Archaeologists found honey in pyramids, 3,000 years old and still edible. Why? The enzyme creates hydrogen peroxide. Bacteria can't survive. Honey is a natural antibiotic. Only 17% water. Bacteria have nothing to feed on. The dry environment is their death. Acidity, pH 3.5, too acidic for bacteria. Honey's triple protection. Pollen is honey's fingerprint. It reveals which flowers it came from. Antioxidants protect your cells. Darker honey means more benefits. Honey has been used to treat wounds for 4,000 years. Antibacterial effect proven. 30% of honey in stores is fake, sugar syrup instead of nectar. Drop it in water, real honey sinks, fake dissolves. Honey is nature's sweetener, but don't heat it above 40 degrees Celsius. Glucose crystals are a sign of real honey. Don't fear crystallization. Honey boosts immunity. Vitamin C, zinc, iron, nature's pharmacy. One bee makes 1/12 teaspoon of honey in her lifetime, 60,000 bees for 1 kilogram. The bee extracts nectar with her proboscis. In her honey stomach, it mixes with enzymes. Bees pollinate 1/3 of all food on Earth. Without them, no harvest. In this golden drop, the work of millions of bees and 3,000 years of history. Subscribe.